this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from China. This is Baijia with our A-Kuan Big Boss noodle. This is a rice vermicelli with a spicy and sesame flavor. So let's leap into this. What we got here? We've got a powder sachet. So we will add the powder in. Again, I'm happy to say we have new music for the show. I don't know how happy I am about. Whoa, look at that. Can you see that? Wow. That is a fine powder. That's like lycopodium powder. I'll tell you about lycopodium powder. It's a powder that comes from a plant called club moss. Anyways, there's this video that I really dig, and it's about, I don't know when it was done, maybe in the 70s. But it's about sound cymatics, and that's C-Y-M-A-T-I-C-S. And basically, they take a platform, put a bunch of this powder on it, and put a little, like, almost like a record needle, or they call it an exciter crystal, on the bottom of it. And put different tones, like basically it's like a speaker pointed at the bottom of this like plate, right? And then they look at what the powder does, and it's pretty neat. It does a lot. You'll see that all the powder like go in all these different directions, and then kind of like coalesce and do this really trippy pattern. Like, you get it's almost like fractals. And I've always wanted to, like, figure out a way to, like, I always thought it'd be neat just to have, like, a box that had all the stuff you needed in it, all the powder in it, and it was enclosed. And you could just flip a switch, change the pitch and the volume, basically, the intensity of the vibration. And so you could just, like, totally play with this stuff and get all sorts of different neat, cool effects. You can make like a coffee table with that on it, and then you can have people, you know, having drinks, being weird, doing whatever they do, and messing with it, almost like a visual synthesizer. I always thought that'd be neat. Here's our sesame element, that's for sure. But yeah, look it up. You might actually see a video of it on YouTube. I mean, there's tons of it on YouTube. There's one with a creepy guy in a wicker chair, Dr. Hans Jenny. I don't remember where I found this originally, but I've always been fascinated. It also comes with a useful fork. So for all of you who complain about me using a fork, hey, back off. But yeah, this is indeed from China, and they use forks with instant noodles often. So yeah, sound cymatics. God, it takes a long time to like take all this stuff apart, and yeah, that's a problem too. It takes a long time to put together the bowl, and it also takes a long time to do it up. This will take 5 minutes. Where's that fill line? God, that's way up there. All right. There. All right. Now we put our magical lid on top, and we do our 5 minutes, and we're rolling. So Yeah, basically when I pick music, I go to this website. I've got access to a sound music library. They also have sound effects. It's called Epidemic Sound. You can check them out. You can subscribe to it. But I'm a YouTube partner with this thing, and so I get access to it, which is nice. But yeah, so they'll have like latest tracks, and you can just like show more, and you can go and go and go and go, and you know, there's a lot of garbage. There's some decent stuff. So this is pretty happy stuff. I don't know. Happy's all right, I suppose. Happy. But yeah, I broke the blockchain of reviewing, if that's a thing. When was the last time I did a review? It was on Friday. Now it's Monday. I don't think I did Saturday morning. Maybe I did. I don't remember. But yeah, I didn't get all my stuff done. I never even finished getting these reviews ready the other night. That's slacking for me. That's bad. The Ramen Raider. But this should go okay, I hope. This is all stuff that I've gotten very recently. There's going to be some more Japanese stuff coming, so I'll be able to do more reviews of that. But I've been hitting up local grocery stores finding stuff. There's got like I got 5 varieties down the road. So that's cool. Unfortunately, they're not going to be all that exciting and wonderful. But then again, you'll probably have access to them too if you're in the States. So that's kind of a plus. Unfortunately, for the most part, those varieties that you can find easily in the States don't get very high scores from me. The last one was just like, why would you put corn in shoyu? Why would you put carrots in shoyu? I mean, maybe in a chicken variety. Like if you're trying to make a chicken stew / chicken soup kind of thing, carrots kind of have a place there, and corn. But, yeah, maybe not corn, but potatoes. But in a Japanese style shoyu, as opposed to a Peruvian style shoyu. But, yeah, what's been going on? Oh, so as you can see up top, I've got bowls up there. I like ripped something in my shoulder. My neck's all jacked up. Every once in a while I'll move a certain way and it's just like, painful. Don't like it. But I will live through this slight thing, I believe. Oh, good. It's almost done. This one, I got a feeling this one will be all right. The next one, I don't know. I really don't know about the next one. It'll either be good or it's going to be horrible. And yeah, there's like varieties that I just don't get because I don't think anybody's going to want to see me just do back-to-back reviews of like really low score noodles. I like to give high scores, so I go for the ones that I want to taste, and they're like, wow, this tastes pretty good. But then I'll get ones that are like, oh, I'll get that on when it's a rainy day, you know, when I'm, you know, I've done over 4,000 reviews. I can kind of tell which ones are going to get a good score and which ones aren't. But, you know, sometimes you'll get a surprise in there. One that's like, oh, I bet this is going to be nasty. Oh, it smells bad. And then you cook it up and it's just like really quite good. That's kind of more of the exception. But it happens. What do we have now? Ah, something somber. I see. It's May 9th, 2022. I think right now, when this episode comes out, summer's kind of waning, isn't it? That's crazy. It's nice being ahead. I like doing 3 reviews a day. I mean, I did like 15, maybe a few more days of doing 3 reviews every single freaking day. I guess I needed a break. But I'm back. had a fork. There's my fork. There we go. Oh, that's murky. Give it a nice stir of happiness. Some of these can be tricky. This one looks like it got prepared correctly, but sometimes these little flower pots, usually you can tell if on the top there's a drain spout, because if there's not and you try to prepare this, you'd be in trouble. But ladies and gentlemen, my lovely wife showing up on camera. Are you going? Well, come here. Say hi to the nice people. And then, of course, there's my lovely daughter, Mimi. How's your day going? Good. How's your day going? Okay. Yeah? All right. Well, have an enjoyable outing. All right. Love you. Go play. Love you. Love you. Ladies and gentlemen, a very rare appearance by the matriarch of the family, the wonderful, beautiful Kit. Whew. Love you! Wow, that's really quite spicy. You probably want to look at that. Yeah. There's the broth. Very heavy on Szechuan pepper. Very. All right. I'll give that a so. So yeah, she's out to do her doings for the morning, and then she's going to come back. And we are going to go to Costco. We were gonna go on Saturday, then I was like, do we really want to go to Costco on the day before Mother's Day? Can you imagine how insane that's gonna be? And then we were thinking about going on Mother's Day. It's like, do you really want to do that on Mother's Day? So, a little bit of sesame seed. And spring onion. I don't know what else to do to this, folks. Wow, that's really got quite the kick of Szechuan pepper. Oh, let's let Rotato have its way with it. got, ladies and gentlemen, should be interesting. This is Lotus Foods and their rice ramen. This is a garlic. God, that color. Right there. That says things. Can you even read that on the camera? Look at that color. I mean, it's just like that color and that. What does it say? Garlicky veggie rice ramen. We'll have this on the episode that you see tomorrow. This was found at Whole Foods. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of, what's it say? Listening at a high volume. Okay. Alright. Here, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oops, wrong button. I'll push this button. No.